Leica 3D Disto, the measurement solution for complex rooms. Surveying rooms with uneven angles, sloping roofs, curves, uneven walls, etc. is often very difficult and time-consuming. With the Leica 3D Disto, you can quickly and accurately capture all the details of a room, including inaccessible objects. You can see directly what you have measured, either as a live image using the inbuilt camera or as a three-dimensional model. The 3D Disto is easy to use and has many practical functions. It provides high-accuracy measurement data with an accuracy of 1 mm at 10 meters and a range of up to 50 meters. The integrated navigation tools allow you to view your measured objects as a 3D model, rotate and zoom the views to see the details, and make sure, while you're still on site, that you haven't forgotten an important measurement. Detailed information for each measured point can be displayed at the press of a button. You can easily export the measured data and process it in your usual CAD software. Using this digital workflow right at the beginning of a project saves time, avoids mistakes, and means that you have the actual room accurately documented.